Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have, you see the white box. You got the gold Jumpman on the top. The rest of the box is pretty plain. So what we have is the Air Jordan 5 wings. Now, I don't really know how I should feel about this shoe, but let's get into the box, man. Now, opening the box, it comes with this card. On this side, you see the wings. Everyone can fly. On the other side, you got a nice little write-up. You can pause that, read it for yourself, or if you already know, you know what's up. So let's get into the kicks, man. It is the Air Jordan 5 wings. Now, straight out of the gate, man, I'm gonna tell you, like, I think it's a clean shoe, but I feel like it should have been catered more towards the kids. You know what I mean? Now, this is just my opinion. I feel like this is it looked like it could have just been a kid shoe, you know what I mean? With this city-like graphics on the shoe, you know. I mean, each his own, man, you know, but that's just my original thoughts about the shoe, man. It looks something like a comic book, you know what I'm saying? So, looking at the bottom, you see you got the translucent sole, you got the hits of white under the bottom. Now you can see you got the wings effect on that panel on the side. I think that's real dope. You know what I'm saying? And there's a better look at some of the drawings. You got the red Jumpman on the back. I ain't really gonna get too technical with this, man, you know, so, cause I'm already late with the review. You know what I mean? So I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time. I'm just gonna get in and get out, yeah. Now there's a look at that the lace lock system. You got the wings theme thing going on with them, man. I think that's nice too. See the Jumpman on the tongue. I mean, it's a nice shoe, man. I can't front on the shoe. You know what I mean? But I just feel like, you know, they should have just narrowed this down and made it grade school size. Now these come with 2 extra laces. You got a green pair, you got a black pair. You know, I mean, it is what it is. On the inside of the tongue, you can see you got the wings, everyone can fly patch. That's sick, man. Now here the side panel glows in the dark. Now these 2 pictures, they're not my pictures, because I couldn't get the shot right. So I had to borrow these pictures, man. You know, I think, who it is, go follow him on Instagram. I think his name GC911. He takes some nice pictures, you know what I'm saying? So I had to borrow those from him, you know what I mean? But y'all might look at the Air Jordan 5 wings, man. I think it's a dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think about it, man. You feeling it, you not? Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holla back.